Assalamu alaikum. Now I am going to discuss the usage of the prepositions since, for and by. Usually we feel confused in using them because sometimes we think they have almost the same meaning and same usage, but really not. Okay. Since, for, before period of time we use for. Before point of time we use since. Starting point or time of an action we use since. Okay. And when the time is not fixed we use for. Suppose I have been working since morning. Here morning is a fixed time, point of time. Any time in the morning I have started working, so I have to use since morning. Morning within the period of time, okay, fixed time, so use since. If I give another example, I have been working 3 hours, blank 3 hours. Then 3 hours is not a fixed time. It doesn't indicate when the work started. Okay. So here it is period of time. Use for. I have been working for 3 hours. Okay. And by. By indicate deadline. Deadline point, deadline, exact time. Before the time we must do the work. We should not exceed the time. Okay. Suppose I'll meet you dash 5 p.m. It means within this time I must meet you. So by. We may use at 5 p.m. It means exactly at that time. Okay. But I'm indicating the differences among since, for and by. So by. The concert ends dash 9 p.m. It indicates that the concert will end before 9 p.m. 9 o'clock in the night, before that period.